So guys, in the previous video we have got the NTLM2 version hash for the test user from the responder tool. So we have this hash, right? Now we are going to crack this hash using the hashcat tool. So all you want to do is you need to download the 7jet file, that is zip file from the hashcat website, and you can just simply extract that. You can see here these are the required files for the hashcat. Now you go to this hashcat.net, or you can just print the help page, and you can see these are the modes we need to set the hashcat to crack the password. So these modes are the algorithms. Now since we are interested in NTLM version 2, we can say NTLM version 2. So we have got this NTLM version 2. Here we can see the example. So this looks exactly like our hash. So this is the one we need. So the mode number is 5600. So you need to remember this one. 5600 is for NTLM version 2, and for version 1 it is 5500. Alright, now let's open this CMD here, and all I want to say is hashcat 64.exe. so I am using this 64-bit binary because my operating system is 64-bit, and I want to specify this mode using this m flag and 5600, and you need to pass this hash file here, that is this smb NTLM version 2. Sorry. So I am passing the hash file, and I want to pass the word list file. So generally you can use this rockq.txt, but that is 130 MB. When copying from Kali Linux to this Windows machine, it has, my laptop got hung. So that's why I just created these three passwords: Nikhil, test, lol, because I know that password is test. We are going to just test whether the hashcat cracks the password for this test or not. So let's go ahead and let's see if hashcat shows us the password as test or not. And you need to specify this wordlist.txt. You guys try with the rockq.txt, but I was unable to copy from Kali to this here. So the reason I did not use the hashcat in the Kali Linux is that virtual machine does not have this graphical support, and this Windows machine, like main operating system, have this graphical support. Have this NVIDIA 940MX. It's not a great graphic card, but a normal graphic card. So this hashcat leverages this power of the graphic card to crack these hashes. So if you have the more graphic card, it will crack that much faster. So we have set the mode to 5600 NTLM version 2, and we have specified the hash text file and the word list text file. Now hit enter. Now you can see here device 1 Intel GPU is currently broken. Okay, fine. So it has been skipped this Intel graphic card. I have this Intel, so every Intel chip have the graphic, and NVIDIA this is 940MX. So all hashes are found in port file. Use show to display them. So we need to say show. So as you can see, we have got the answer here, test, and you can see at the end colon test. So this is our required password. So this is very simple because the password is very simple and it's not complex. So you can guess if the administrator is smart enough of these technologies or security mechanisms, then he might put the complex password. But he's a normal administrator who does not have that much idea about the security, then he can keep the simple password, and you can try for the password cracking. So this will not work in all the case, but it depends on the administrator or the user who keeps the password. So that's all for this video. We have cracked the NTLM version 2 hash with the hashcat binary, hashcat program.